Good day, gentlemen. I am going to tell a little further about plain sailing. A short distance from one place to the other. Some of the gentlemen taken a seafarer course, which mean a seaman or a bachelor science in marine transportation. Plain sailing solve a problem in single course and distance and different of latitude and departure only. It does not include different of longitude. It is a point of departure and a point of arrival. It's only a solution of 2 point. If we are using a plain sailing, always remember that the Earth's surface, we assume that the Earth is flat. This method is a short distance only, not a long distance, unlike great circle sailing. If we are using this method, we conform from a meridian to the point of departure until to the parallel to the point of arrival. This figure, call it a triangle. This triangle has a point of departure called latitude 1 and latitude 2. We mark as waypoint 1 and waypoint 2 and a longitude 1 and longitude 2. The difference waypoint 1 and waypoint 2, call it distance. The other point in which call latitude 1 and latitude 2 is called different of latitude or delat. From longitude 1 and longitude 2 called departure or depth. The angle of a triangle called course. This method we look first a course or a true course. We have a formula: cosine course angle equals to delat divided by distance. Next is sine course angle equals departure divided by distance. So the last one is tangent course angle equals departure divided by delat. So we level of it. Delat is north or south, and departure is east or west. The purpose of this level is to identify the quadrant. We name the course angle as prefix of north or south according to a delat. The suffix is east or west according to a depth. Next is number 2. Look for distance. Distance equals delat divided by cosine course angle. Next is number 3. Look for delat. Delat equals distance times cosine course angle. And the last one is departure. Departure equals to distance times sine course angle. This are the 4 formula of plain sailing. We set an example as figure on a piece of paper. Find a course and distance. Delat is 132 nautical miles north. Depth is 48 nautical miles east. We solve for a solution. Tangent course angle equals depth divided by delat. 48 divided by 132. Using a scientific calculator equals 0.3636353363. Shift tangent equals 19.98. Round off to 20 degrees. Course angle is 20 degrees east. Naming is northeast according to delat and depth. So departure is east, delat is north, so north 20 degrees east. Next is to look for distance. Distance equals delat divided cosine course angle. Delat is 132 nautical miles divided by cosine 20 degrees, 140.47 nautical miles or 140.5 nautical miles. Another example. Course 042 degrees true. Distance 524 nautical miles. Look for delat and depth. Number 1, delat equals cosine course angle. 524 times cosine 043 degrees equals 383.2 nautical miles. North course 043 degrees true. Northerly component. Proceed to next step. Departure equals distance times sine course angle. 524 times sine 043 degrees equals 357.36 nautical miles. Name is east, same as 043 degrees true. Has easterly component. Additional for sailing, remember that the delat is 383.2 divided by 60 minutes equals 6.13. Shift degrees equals 6 degrees 23 minutes 12 second. Another solving problem. Given distance 210 nautical miles. Course 295 degrees true. Departure point was 35 degrees 30 minutes north. At what latitude the vessel arrive at? Solution. Delat equals distance times cosine course. 210 times cosine course 295 degrees equals 88.74 nautical miles divided by 60 minutes equals 1 degree 28 minutes 44 seconds or 1 degree 29 minutes. Name is north. Solve for latitude 2. Latitude 35 degrees 30 minutes north. Delat 1 degree 29 north same name plus. So latitude 2 equals 36 degrees 59 minutes north. That's all guys for sample problem for plain sailing. Bye. See you next solving problem. God bless.